Hello folks, today I'm in New Clark City and I've come here to witness the 24th Balloon Fiesta. I believe it's going to be taking place inside the stadium. I'm not 100% sure, but let's go inside and find out. And this is the first time I'm ever seeing New Clark Stadium. Oh, I just picked up myself a nice fresh churro from this food store and I'm now going to head up to the stadium to one of the viewing decks where apparently the balloons are going to be taking place from there or flying off from there. Really? How many balloons can they possibly fit? Holy smokes. This is like an Olympic sized stadium. There's a full running track here that looks like it's 400 meters long. So we've got one balloon being inflated right now. Oh, look at that. What is it meant to be, a pig? It's an elephant! Whoa! Look at that! It's so cute! How adorable is that? Whoa! It's a clumsy elephant as well. Now that one balloon's been inflated, a second one has begun. And I think they're all going to go in a sequential pattern.
I wonder what it feels for the chicken. How it feels for the chicken.
You know, I've never actually seen a hot air balloon in person as I'm doing today. And watching all these people come together and inflate these hot air balloons is quite a spectacle. Wow, look at that. Oh, Lord. Successful. Ah, this one's a dog. Right, so we've got pretty much almost 4 inflated right now. Oh, another one's going up right now here. So we've got the elephant, a dragon, a dog there, and I think that's another dog possibly, or is it a bear? Oh look, it just went up. Oh, look how lucky they are. All these paramotors hovering above the stadium, getting a bird's eye view of the hot air balloons. That guy's really low. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh my God, he's taken away! Wow, there goes the elephant hot air balloon. We've got our first takeoff of the day. Wow, look how low that goes. Oh my God, this guy is absolutely killing it. Oh, there goes another balloon. Right, I'm now going to head outside of the stadium because I think it's going to be quite an interesting view seeing these balloons emerging from the Clark Stadium here. Oh, look, there they are. I think that's the GMA one, yes. You know, these paramotors hovering above the stadium and coming into the stadium, I thought at first were just like random people, but they're all part of the event, which is good. Wait, there's more hot air balloons being inflated over here too. There's one of a giant bear, one from FedEx, one of a castle. The sky is going to be filled with all these balloons soon. Oh my God, look how many more are behind the stadium. Wow, that hot air balloon. Oh, there's the giant teddy. that hot air balloon right behind that building is pretty low. Did that balloon make it over? I think it did, look. It's so low to those condos though. Oh my goodness. I mean, one could technically pretty much jump off the basket of that balloon and be completely fine. You know, all the balloons are traveling in this direction because a bit of a wind has picked up, and so the wind will carry the balloons naturally over here. So for anybody wondering how to get here, you just type in on Google Maps New Clark City, and you take the NLEX or the tollway, which will take about 2 hours to get from central Manila to here. And then the general admission to go around the stadium area is around about 1,500 pesos per person. But you can stand outside of this main Clark area and not pay at all and just watch it from a distance. But coming inside and seeing the hot air balloons up close, I think it's definitely worth the price point, especially if you've never seen something like this before. It's really pretty. And then in addition to the hot air balloons, there's a lot of kiosks positioned along here around the stadium. I need to explore this a little later. Oh my goodness, that chow fan smells delicious. Oh, some MSG there. Hey! Now this fiesta, this hot air balloon fiesta takes place across 3 days, from the 16th all the way until the 18th, and I've arrived on the last and final day. So I don't know what previous days were like. Maybe it was more busier, more round with people. Maybe there were even more hot air balloons. I don't know. But what I'm seeing today is pretty good. Positioned just outside the stadium are a few tanks here. They look real. And some Philippine soldiers. Salute, salute. Wow. Look at that. Whoa, look at this. What a beast. Woo. Iron. Oh. Oh. Oh, hello. How did you do, sir?
Fine, sir.
Who, do you drive this?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? This is your vehicle?
Yeah.
Wow. And where do you take this bad boy?
We take it for now. It's just newly acquired in the Philippine Army, so.
Oh, this is a new fleet, is it? Oh, wow.
These two.
These two here. And this is called the what?
This is command post vehicle. This is where the commander planning. If you can see inside, there's a lot of space for planning.
Can you show me?
Yeah, but you can't take a picture.
Oh, you can't take a picture. Oh,
but I can show you, but picture or video is.
Picture or video is allowed, not allowed. And the reason for that is because obviously that's top secret.
Yes.
Can't do that. Okay, so if I go inside, can I come out of there?
No.
Oh, I can't.
You can see, but you can't go inside.
Oh, I can't go inside. Oh, okay. That would be nice to come out of there. Whew. And how do you get inside, Paul?
For the driver, you just go up here, from there.
Oh, yeah.
Then for the commander, you can just enter in the back.
Look at this. Caterpillar wheels. I've never seen a tank up close in person. Whoa.
You can video inside, so.
Oh, damn.
Off video, you can see it, but
Yeah.
you can take a picture of it.
Whoa. This is bigger?
Yeah.
Wow. You can see the height difference.
This is 105mm cannon, like that.
105mm cannon, damn. Anyway, thank you, sir. Thank you. Salamat. Nice. The air balloon pilot is asking for assistance to move the whole hot air balloon in this direction for some reason. I'm not sure. They're slowly going to bring down the canvas of the balloon in this direction. We've got some kuyas over there pulling it down. Watch as it slowly collapses. Wow, it's so graceful. Well, folks, this was the 24th Balloon Fiesta Festival here at New Clark City. This festival has lapsed for over 3 days and it looks like it's coming to an end. And so I'm going to be driving back to Manila now on this nice fine day. But anyway, I'm going to wrap up today's video here. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video and share with friends and family. And I will see you in the next video here on the channel. Many thanks for watching, guys. Take care and bye for now.